What if I told you there's a 20-cent homemade face mask sitting in your kitchen right now that can tighten your skin, fade scars, reduce acne, and give your face a youthful glow without spending hundreds on creams that barely work? Sounds unbelievable? Today, I'll show you how to make a simple but powerful DIY face mask that does more for your skin than any fancy serum ever could. It's backed by nutrition science, and it only takes one common ingredient. Stick with me till the end because I'll show you one extra add-on that costs nothing and doubles the skin benefits from the inside out. Let's get started. So what's the miracle ingredient? It's something you've probably eaten 100 times, but you never thought of putting it on your face. It's the egg white. Just crack open one egg, separate the yolk, and save the clear egg white. Whisk it gently and apply a very thin layer to clean skin. Avoid the eyes and mouth area. Now, wait about 15 to 20 minutes until it dries completely. Here's what happens during that time. Your skin starts to tighten. Fine lines begin to smooth out. Oil is reduced, and your pores temporarily shrink. It's like a mini facelift. Why does it work so well? Egg whites are rich in protein, albumin, and natural enzymes that help firm the skin, soothe inflammation, and absorb excess oil. Great for anti-aging, acne, or even tired, dull skin. But we're not stopping here. Let's make this even better. 2. The power add-on. What if you could combine that skin tightening effect with something that actually feeds your skin nutrients directly? That's where the egg yolk comes in. Yes, the yellow part most people throw away. Egg yolks are loaded with vitamin A, which is critical for skin cell regeneration, vitamin D, E, and K, choline, and skin-loving B vitamins. These nutrients soak directly into the skin when applied topically, helping heal damage, brighten dark spots, calm redness, and improve skin texture. So now, instead of using just the white, mix the whole egg together. Apply a thin layer to your face and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with warm water and pat dry. Your skin will feel softer, tighter, more nourished, and visibly healthier. 3. Optional yogurt boost. Want to go even further? Add 1 teaspoon of plain, unsweetened yogurt to your egg mask. Yogurt adds probiotics to support your skin's microbiome, lactic acid to gently exfoliate dead skin cells, and extra hydration for a fresh, dewy glow. But make sure it's plain organic yogurt. No sugar, no flavors. Now you've got 3-ingredient skin treatment that costs less than a cup of coffee and works better than most commercial masks. 4. Heal your skin from the inside. Topical care is great, but if you really want glowing skin, you need to treat it from the inside out. Guess what? The same egg you used for your mask is also one of the best foods for your skin. Eggs are a complete protein, full of collagen-building nutrients, high in biotin, which supports skin, hair, and nails, and rich in healthy fats that keep skin supple. I eat 4 eggs a day myself, and if you're female, 2 to 3 is perfect. Just don't fry them in seed oils. Stick with butter, olive oil, or coconut oil. That way, you support your skin both from the outside and from within. Final tips. Here's how to get the best results. Use this egg mask 2 times a week. Store-bought creams can't compete with what nature gives you. Be consistent for 2 to 3 weeks and watch your skin transform. And remember, good skin isn't about expensive products. It's about feeding your cells the right tools to repair themselves, just like this face mask helps you do. Want more health? Want more DIY health skincare videos backed by real science? Subscribe to One Health Hustle, hit that like button, and share this with someone who's wasting money on skincare that doesn't work.